Hello students, I Dr. Rahul Sharma welcome you all to the very first lecture of entrepreneurship. In this lecture we are going to discuss very basic things related to entrepreneurship. So let us look at the content of the video. First of all, we are going to understand the basic meaning of entrepreneurship. What do we actually mean by entrepreneurship? Followed by definition of entrepreneurship, the exact technical definition of entrepreneurship. One or two definition we'll discuss given by the certain experts for entrepreneurship. And the third thing we are going to discuss in this video is the most important thing, that is what are the characteristics of entrepreneurship. So let us start with the first topic, that is meaning of entrepreneurship. Now as we see from this image, we can say that there is a person who is standing on roof and he is searching something in sky. So if we want to understand the general meaning of entrepreneurship, we can understand it by this, is that he is the person who is looking like he has already achieved so many things, but he is curious to identify new opportunities. And the people who are always seeking new opportunities, who are always looking for new opportunities, sky is the limit for those. So by this image we can understand the meaning that entrepreneurship is a process of actions of an entrepreneur who is a person always in search of something new and exploits such ideas into gainful opportunities by accepting the risk and uncertainty with the enterprise. I am again saying entrepreneurship is a process which is done by the entrepreneur, who is a person like this particular man who exploits new opportunities. Something new will be identified to get the good amount of opportunity, a good chance of earning some new things by accepting the risk and uncertainty with the enterprise. Obviously when you are trying something new, when you are looking for something new, obviously you will be faced by a huge amount of risk and uncertainties associated with this. The next meaning we can say that it is the process of starting a business, a startup company or other organization. The entrepreneur develops a business plan, acquires the human and other required resources, and is fully responsible for its success or failure. See, this is what the thing, that he is the one who is ready to take responsibility, or you can say credit and criticism both are welcome for an entrepreneur. It is not like if something is he has tried and it went good, he will come and say yes, this is what I have done, and something went wrong, he will say no, I have not done it, someone else has done it. So this is what the thing, that an entrepreneur has certain qualities to plan, acquire the human and other required resources, and is fully ready to accept the responsibility of its success or failure. Whenever you plan something and you are going to execute something, there is a huge amount of risk and uncertainty. Now whenever there is a risk and uncertainty, there are equal chances of getting success or getting failure. So you should be ready with this, and these qualities which define a person as an entrepreneur, the most important quality is that the person is ready to take the responsibility of success as well as the failure of whatever plan he has come up with. Entrepreneurship operates within an entrepreneurship ecosystem. It works under a particular ecosystem which is totally related to entrepreneurship. Each and every element of that ecosystem is being designed to support the entrepreneurship thought process, so that each and every person who is being associated with that entrepreneurship plan, that particular objective, should have that idea that yes, we are working together to achieve one particular you can say if they are developing a product, one particular objective is there to develop that project and launch it into the market, because that particular product or service is somewhere related to some problem which they have identified and they are trying to provide the solution to it. Now let us discuss some definitions. So according to A.H. Cole, entrepreneurship is the purposeful activity of an individual or group of associated individual undertaken to initiate, maintain or aggrandize profit by production or distribution of economic goods and services. General, if we want, that what do we understand by this particular definition given by A.H. Cole is that entrepreneurship is a purposeful activity. Obviously, whenever someone is going for an entrepreneurship venture, is going for some startup, is going for anything new, he obviously has a purpose. He obviously has an objective to achieve, has an aim to fulfill. So that can be an individual or a group of associated individual people connected with each other, a team of individuals undertaken to initiate. Obviously they will have to take initiatives, maintain or aggrandize profit by production or distribution of economic goods and services. It is not like whenever you are going to produce something physical, some goods, you will be called as entrepreneur. Sometimes you are also working for producing some services which are right now not available in the market, but you have identified the need for that and you are working to provide those services. According to J.H. Timonson, entrepreneurship is the ability to create and build something from practically nothing. Obviously, best from waste, right? So you have the ability, and this is what the entrepreneurship thought process, because it gives you the ability to create and build something from practically nothing, which is nothing till now, which is nothing for people, which is useless for people, and you have come up with an idea which has converted that useless thing into something very, very useful. So this is what the definitions of entrepreneurship. Now let us look at some of the characteristics, some of the important characteristics of entrepreneurship. So first one is economic and dynamic activity. Yes, entrepreneurship is a particular economic as well as dynamic activity. It keeps on changing. As you can see from this image, sometimes it is peak, then again recession, then through recovery, then again peak, and then so on. So it's a dynamic process. Whenever we are drawing some graph like this, we'll say it is keep on changing, it is fluctuating. So it's a dynamic activity. Sometimes you get success and sometimes you get failure, but that doesn't mean that you will feel disheartened and you will say no, I am not a good entrepreneur. Entrepreneurship requires patience and continuous efforts to achieve something. So it's an economic as well as dynamic activity. It is related to innovation. Obviously, when we talk about entrepreneurship, it always says something new, search of new. Now what is search of new? Obviously, whenever you are searching for something new which is not at all invented till now, you are somewhere relating yourself to the innovating something, to the innovation. So entrepreneurship is related to innovation, because whenever you are coming up with something new, you can say yes, I am the founder of this. You can call yourself, you can feel proud of yourself that yes, this is the something which I have invented. This is something which will be known by my name, that he is or she is someone who has come up with these ideas. Profit potential. Obviously, ultimate objective of coming up with any of the entrepreneurship venture is earning some profit. So profit can be monetary, and sometimes you can say yes, I want to do this particular thing because I want to achieve the profit in terms of social benefit. So that is also a kind of the modes can be different. When we talk about the projects, the project can be industrial project, a project can be a welfare project also. whenever you are working for industrial projects, whenever you are working with the commercial projects. So in the same way, whenever you are coming up with some entrepreneurship venture with the commercial, with the objective of commercializing something, with the objective of launching something to earn some profit, it should have some profit potential. In the same manner, when you are working something for society, you are coming up with some idea for the society, ultimately you want profit in terms of social benefits. So the entrepreneurship, the whatever venture you are coming with, it should have some profit potential in it. Risk bearing, right? Risk bearing in the sense you will have to take risk, because whenever you are trying something new, it is full of uncertainty, and whenever something is full of uncertainty, it has a risk, because uncertainty is a general meaning, general synonym of risk. Whenever there is a uncertainty, there is a probability of failure and success. So there is a risk. You should have risk bearing capacity. You should be ready to accept the risk associated with whatever new you are going to try. Skillful management. You should have some skills to manage things. Like you can see from this picture, the person is trying to manage the things, balance on this, and then trying to manage these things. So you should have certain skills like this to manage many things, because since you are trying something new, many of the people will not believe in you. A few people will say, okay, let's see what all you will come up with, and that is what you need to manage. You need to manage it with all your skills and talent, that yes, I want to do this, and one day I will invent this, I will be achieving this, I will be launching my entrepreneurship venture. So you should have that skillful management in your mind. Accepting the challenges, obviously, again I will relate it with the thing that whenever you are trying something new, whenever you are actually facing uncertainties, you are accepting uncertainties, you are digging yourself into the in deep inside the uncertainty and uncertain environment, you should be ready to accept the challenges, because whenever you are exploring something new, you will be faced with so many challenges which you need to accept. You can run away, but that will not be a characteristic of an entrepreneur. If you are ready to accept the challenges, then only you can say, yes, I want to do it and I want to launch my entrepreneurship venture. Obviously goal oriented, yeah, right. We will say that every entrepreneurship venture which is going to be there, they have some sort of objective in their mind. They want to achieve something. So it's a goal oriented activity which you need to accomplish, which you need to achieve. Value creation, obviously, whenever you are coming up with something new, you are adding value to something, you are adding value. So value addition can be something that can be said, yes, value creation is something you are adding value to something, or you are creating value out of something. That is what the characteristic of an entrepreneur, that is what the characteristics of entrepreneurship. Uniqueness. Please observe these pictures carefully. You can see that this pencil is unique. They are actually not following the crowd. This is the total crowd, but this particular person has tried to do something different. You can see all the black umbrellas over here, but there is a yellow umbrella over here, which is actually the signifying that I am different, I am doing something unique. All the bulbs are there, but one is lighting. It is actually reflecting itself as a symbol of uniqueness. So you should come out of you should differentiate yourself from the crowd. Whatever the people are doing, a 9 to 5 job people are doing, so many people are doing it from generations, and I mean many of the people will do it in coming time, but I want to do something else. This particular line, if it comes from inside, that actually creates an entrepreneur, and that actually creates some activity which is related to entrepreneurship. So you should actually identify that uniqueness in yourself. Every person is being equipped with some uniqueness. All you need is just identify that uniqueness in yourself. Trust me, you will find yourself that yes, I have done it. One day you will find yourself saying this thing to yourself, that yes, this is what I have achieved. But if you would have been following the crowd, you will be lost in the crowd. So you should have that capability. Now it requires a lot of caliber, courage to you know, do something which others are not doing, to try something new. So that is what we call a uniqueness, right? Interest and vision, you should have some set of objective. As we said, it's a goal oriented activity. You should have some vision, and you should have that interest to achieve that vision, to be successful in that particular, to achieve that particular vision in that time frame which you have in your mind. Risk and rewards, whenever you are ready to take some risk, so risk and reward will go into the same direction. More risk you take, more chances to get a return. From financial management we always see, more the risk, more the return will be there. So depending on your capabilities, you should be ready to take the risk, but associated with something, because that the risk will obviously, it is not the insurity that you are taking a risk and you'll get reward always. You might be might face some failure, but it's a general trend, it's a general tendency that whenever you are ready, you are making yourself capable enough, you are preparing yourself to take risk, you have the solid chances to get the reward out of it, right? So these are few of the characteristics we have discussed. So I would like to summarize you with whatever we have done. So we have done with meaning of entrepreneurship, right? We have done with the definition of entrepreneurship. We have discussed two definitions given by the experts, and we have discussed certain characteristics related to entrepreneurship. I hope you have got the idea. Please revise this video and try to relate the content with the images given in the video, because pictures talks a lot more than the words, right? So try to revise it, and in the next video we will be discussing some more topics related to entrepreneurship. So thank you so much, all the best.